just came from that way.
I'm gonna put your phone right here so it doesn't slide.
Okay. Man, this would be a sloppy mess back here during the rain. Oh yeah. Can you see your tires?
Yep. Oh, Dad! That's not funny.
But you won't try that again.
No.
You ought to though. Good
Go find
time.
another one.
Nope. Pull back out here on the road. And now, insta mud rain. I see a little bit of mud. Not too big. Little bitty bird up there too. There's a big old mud hole that we avoided. Oh, there's a bunch of big old mud holes over there that we're avoiding. We'll probably find one up here that we got to turn back around or back out to get away from. There's that trail back there.